Singapore again. Going up in the observation deck. It's exactly 10 o'clock, 10:01. So I'll be one of the first ones to get to see this amazing view, and I'll share it with you. So keep watching because this vlog is gonna be legend. Wait for it. There. Legendary. Look at this, it's almost empty because it's 10 o'clock. So people are just starting to come now. I love it. Wow, this view. Oh my god, look at this ship. Wow. This is when you come early morning, not so many people. The view is beautiful, also the weather. Wow. This is a must come here. Next stop, G Lane, also visiting Arab Street, and it started a little bit raining just today when I didn't get my umbrella. They should be okay. Anyway, I'll find some place also where to eat, and wow, these streets are beautiful here. Look at that. I found a place that a lot of locals are coming and you need cash. Wait, I think I need to go there to order. Oh my gosh, look at this. Looks so good. Oh my god, it's gonna be so yummy. But it was good that I got some cash because here, only with cash, it costs $12.8 Singaporean dollars. Oh wow! I just tried the liquid. It's so good. So good. This is so cute. I enter in a post office. I think it's for postcards to buy and to mail. I like this, like the old times, you know, that you send the post and you wait for it. So beautiful. I think I'm gonna buy one or two. Some shopping time, buying some souvenirs and gifts for myself and other people. I didn't know actually that in Singapore there's a lot of Muslim women and a lot of coverage. And here also there is, yeah, so behind me there is the mosque. It's only possible to enter if you're a Muslim woman. I'm not a Muslim woman. And this is the Arab street as well. Very pretty and has a lot to offer. Let's explore it! I got a tea because it seems like they make good tea. They recommend me this one. Oh wow, first time I'm taking the bus because normally I'm taking the train here, the subway. Wow, it's very cool. It's kind of empty. And even has a second floor. I'll go check it out. And I'm heading now to see, by the way, the show, the lightning show, and they will have two because of this time of the year. Yeah, I made it! Look at this behind you. Damn. And the other side, the garden by the bay. Wow, I was up there today in the observation deck. Look, up there. I was up there. Okay, let's go because there's gonna be a lightning show. Perfect for the sunset. Wow, so beautiful. Well, look at this. It was pretty easy to find actually. You just gotta follow the signs. Yeah. Bye bye Singapore. Thank you for being so nice. Wow. Ending it like this is just perfect. Because when I arrived I didn't see it. This is called the Jewels. And now I get to see it. And then I get to leave. Thank you for watching again. Until the next time. See you. Bye.